Okay, so today we're working on order of operations. It is module 9, lesson 3, so we call that 9.3. And this is the practice and problem solving A/B that is assigned for Tuesday, April 21st. And so this is number 1 through 6. It says, name the operation you should perform first. And so if I'm looking at these, I don't have to do the math problem. I don't have to solve for the problem. I'm just finding what works first. And so what I want to look at is we have our parentheses, exponent, we multiply, divide, add, and then subtract. So that's the order in which we do it. Some of you know it as PEMDAS. Some of you know it as please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. However you need to remember it, that's the order in which you do math operations, and you'll use it for the rest of your math career. So I'm looking at number 1 and trying to figure out which one goes first. I have 4 times 6, subtract 3. So if I look up here, is there a parentheses? No. Is there an exponent in there? No. How about multiplication? Yes, there's multiplication right here. I'm going to change the color of my pen so it's loud. There's our multiplication sign. And so I'm going to write multiply. Oh my pen's not working very well. Whew. So number 2, 1 plus 8 divided by 2. I look back up here. Is there a parentheses? No. Is there an exponent? No. Is there multiplication? No. Division? You betcha. So that's what we do first. You divide. Okay. Number 3 reads 2 plus 5, subtract 4 to the second power. Are there parentheses? Yes, they're right here. You don't have to circle that stuff. I'm just showing you. P-A-R-E-N. The sis. My pen does not work that well. Number 4. 7 divided by 7 to the third times 7. Is there a parentheses? No. But there is an exponent, and that's the second one. So I'm going to write exponent. Okay. And number 5, we have 2 left. Number 5 is 8 to the second divided by 8 subtract 4 to the second power. And I see parentheses right here. Circle them so you see what I'm looking at, and that's what I'm going to do first. The parentheses. Ooh, I almost spelled that wrong. There, that's better. And the last one is negative 4 plus 3 to the third divided by 5. Parentheses? No. Exponent? Right here. So I'm going to write exponent. Exponent. So that's all you had to do for the first 6 problems, is decide which one goes first. If you need to write these on the top of your page to do the work, go for it, because whatever's going to help you is what you need to do.